It'll be Madison going left to right, and Hailstorm right to left. Thursday League One action begins now. It's the Hailstorm and Madison. But he'll definitely be looking to anchor this team in a similar fashion to Andrew Wheeler-Omiunu. Oh, that's a pocket picking right there. Trevor Amann still with it. Amann cuts inside, then shoots, and he scores. Took a skip and goes through. It's goal number 4 on the season for Trevor Amann. Boot and gets the job done. And this is a Trevor sparked opportunity and a Trevor finished opportunity all by himself here. Did this make any contact with a Madison defender? Maybe made contact with Kroll, but either way, Onan is able to jump on that pass, or at least be in the right place at the right time. Slips by Rogers. Here's Chaney. Chaney with the turn. Chaney still going! Oh, he missed it! Payne with a cross himself, too high for Chaney. Here's a shot, rockets towards goal. It's pulled away, the follow through is tapped in! And Christian Chaney equalizes. And there is that trademark acrobatic celebration. Are they calling this one off? The offside flag has gone up. He is offside right there. He take the ball off his trajectory as Macias tried to poke that in to Kroll. And now running the other way is Trevor Amann. Amann breaking down the pitch. Trevor Amann still going. He's tripped up inside the penalty area. And an immediate point to the spot. And you can see the color of that card. He offers his hand to help him up. Mehl pleading his case, but it's already been decided. A red card given to Timmy Mehl. Ken King double the advantage from Edinburgh. He winds up, and it's saved! Another penalty stop for Bernd Schipmann. Hang on and steal one back. He looked to that foul in this game, but of course, still 4. Oh, he's a great time at these. Community members can come out to Bree Stevens Field, meet the team, pack some goodie bags for children in the community. I'm gonna put that on your calendar. Hernandez to Amann. Amann shoots, and he rockets it into the side netting. It's a brace for Trevor Amann. Here's a look at it again. He's the open man in the 18, gives it a touch, then just rips his laces through it. And that puts him alone in second place in the goals scored category in USL League One. Just one behind Rafa Mensingen. So now all that waits is Alvia's whistle. And right on cue. 3 points on the road acquired for the Hailstorm. 11 points